So here are my aftermarket LED puddle lights that I bought. If you noticed, there is a tab here, and this side slides in. So this is a direct replacement, and what I'm doing is I'm using a nylon pry bar. It's a soft kit, so it doesn't mar anything up. You want to be able to get inside your light, so adjust your mirror all the way up to give you more clearance underneath. And in this case, I already took mine out, but I'll put it back in and I'll show you exactly how I did it. See how it's set nice and flush in there. If you look inside, hard to see, but you'll see the tab, and you just push on it, and you see how it dropped. And then once it drops, you go ahead and come on the back side of it. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so it's kind of hard, but then you slide it out, and then it comes out. So just remember, you do one side and then the other. Now you unplug these two. And on my kit, it just comes with 2 male terminals, and you just plug them in and try it. And then as far as the reinstall goes, all you got to do is the same thing. You go ahead and set it up, and you push it in. And it's done. Then set your mirrors back.